Since 1998, Pipe Wrench Plumbing, owned and operated by Tennessee native Tom Cameron, has become one of the most respected and fastest-growing companies in the entire Knoxville area. From our high-quality, skilled, and highly trained technicians to our courteous customer service reps, we all take pride in providing quality service with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Speaking of which, we offer same-day service, and we stand behind it so much that if you call Monday through Friday before noon, we will arrive the same day, or the service charge is free, guaranteed. We're also constantly learning and updating to stay with the times, so we've proudly become green, which is not only better for the environment, but it's also a great way to help reduce home energy use and save money on those monthly bills. Another great way to keep those energy costs low is with our tankless water heaters, which actually produce more hot water while using less energy. These water heaters are only about 1/6 the size of a traditional one and can last up to 20 years, which is twice as long. Plus, if you're in need of water line or sewer repair, we've got you covered. Most companies have trouble diagnosing these problems and usually end up tearing up your entire yard. But with our trenchless technology, we'll get the job done without destroying your property in a quicker and less expensive way. And lastly, for larger commercial-grade clogs, we offer hydrojetting, which is a surefire way to clean out any grease, sand, or sediment that is built up in your drains. For more information on Pipe Wrench Plumbing or to speak directly with one of our great customer service reps, please give us a call or visit us on the web. Knoxville's #1 plumbing company.